Rossi, he's still hanging on to second place. No way through for the Italian there. What about Garage Vert? Here he comes on the inside. No chance. Dovizioso pushing every last sinew to its limit to keep Rossi at bay.
Half a lap to go. They're on to the back straight. This is the battle for second place. Two Italians, one on a Honda, one on a Ducati. Won the 9 times world champion. Breaks as late as he dare into the S's on the back straight. But Dovizioso just opens up a little bit of an advantage. Rossi sees the close here.
Is there enough there for Dovizioso? I would think so, unless Rossi can pull something magical out of this final S's. Casey Stoner, meanwhile, a stand-up wheelie as he comes down the home straight. But we need to watch the final couple of corners. Andrea Dovizioso has the advantage over Valentino Rossi. Rossi's going to have to settle for third, but it's still a first podium for the Ducati.
And Andrea Dovizioso finishing in second place. At last for Ducati, for Valentino Rossi, a podium finish. A brave